Welcome to Miradi Share, a new database for adaptively managing and learning from conservation projects and programs. My name is Dan Salzer and I work with the Nature Conservancy, and I'm on the Miradi and Miradi Share development teams. In this video, I provide a basic overview of Miradi Share and show you how to view a single conservation project. This video assumes you already have a basic understanding of both the CMP, open standards, and Miradi desktop software. The open standards define a conservation project as a set of actions undertaken by a defined group of practitioners to achieve defined goals and objectives. Projects can range in scale from managing a small pond to an entire ocean. Miradi software has provided a widely adopted desktop-based tool for designing, managing, monitoring, and learning from individual projects. There's increasing interest in rolling up information from portfolios of conservation projects into higher-level conservation programs. A program is both a high-level project in its own right with its own goals and objectives, as well as a collection of child projects. Miradi Share is a cloud-based system for managing projects as part of an overall program for taking conservation projects to a higher level. Miradi Share is available at miradishare.org. From this initial landing page, I can click through a high-level presentation of what Miradi Share offers. In addition to helping you manage individual Miradi projects more effectively, Miradi Share can also help combine related projects into higher-level programs and improve efficiency by learning from others. The Get Started tab has a number of options of things you can do without logging into the system. I'm going to now show you how to browse publicly available information. Information in Miradi Share is organized by projects and programs. The left-hand column of the landing page is a list of publicly viewable projects and programs in the system. The Community Library is a special program that allows any registered Miradi user to upload and share individual Miradi projects. If I click on the Community Library program link, I then go to the home page for this specific program. The initial view that I am on here shows all publicly viewable projects within the system. The pie chart in the lower left lets you see how many projects are currently in the program you're looking at. In this case, because we are not logged into the system, we are only seeing a fraction of the overall projects that are publicly available. Each of these tiles represents a viewable project in the system. You can view the projects in the Community Library program either with the tiles or in list form. If you click on one of the projects, you can now explore more information about this project, in this case the fictitious Eastern Bay sample project that ships with Miradi desktop software. This page shows basic information about the project. Down below you can see in the team field which individuals have rights to view, edit, or manage this project. The Explore menu provides a number of familiar views of the data in this project. For example, the diagram view shows thumbnails of the conceptual model and results chains for this project. If you click on a thumbnail, you can pop up a large version of this image. Note that this is only a static JPEG image of the results chain. You can't click on a factor box or roll over an objective like you can in Miradi Desktop. Hopefully, however, you can see the utility of being able to quickly call up and look at conceptual model and results chain diagrams for many different projects. In a similar fashion, you can also click on the Threats menu and see Miradi Share's reproduction of the target threat summary table for this project. The table has the threats in the far left column and the targets displayed along the top. You can see down in this corner that we are displaying 5 rows of threats. You can change the display by adjusting the number of rows per page setting up here. One of the most powerful features of Miradi Share is the ability to quickly filter information to display only what you want to see. You can use the global search box to search for all rows that have the term high anywhere in them. As you can see now, only 4 of the 6 rows are showing. You can also filter any column in a similar fashion. For example, entering low in the summary threat value column narrows the rows to only those with a low rating. You can also use the Explore menu to look at similar tables that show the project's viability table and a project's goals and objectives. The Miradi Share development team will also be adding additional project views in the near future. In the meantime, if you would like to explore the project information in more detail, you can log into the system and download the Miradi file, which is the subject of the next video. In the meantime, clicking on the Select Program drop-down enables you to browse the projects in any public program or private program of which you are a member. Some notable public programs are the Conservation Actions and Measures Library, CAML, which contains generic results chains for conservation actions, as well as programs for NOAA Fisheries and the Nature Conservancy that are using Miradi Share to share project information with the world.